अभी मैंने एक बुक ख़त्म की है द सीक्रेट। काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक लगी मुझे क्योंकि वो लाइफ की कॉमन सेंस पे थी। जो हम लोग सोचते हैं डे टू डे लाइफ में, जो हमारा थिंकिंग रहता है, कैसे हम लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के ऊपर है वो, कि हम अपने थॉट्स से कितनी चीज़ें अट्रैक्ट करते हैं अपनी लाइफ में। और आप कितनी बार आप रियलाइज़ करेंगे कि आपने किसी चीज़ के बारे में सोचा कि मुझे एक दिन वो गाड़ी चाहिए और 6 महीने बाद वो गाड़ी आपके हाथ में होती है। तो एक विज़न रहता है कि आपने एक चीज़ सोच ली तो फिर एनर्जीज आपकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करना शुरू कर देती हैं उस चीज़ को। तो वो बुक मैंने पढ़ी, मुझे काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग लगी वो। अभी मैंने शुरू करी है जो।
How does visualization help with that?
It is everything for me.
How so?
So if you're going to play an overseas tour, say to Australia or England or something like that, I literally sat down 2-3 months before and I've made a decision in my head that I'm going to take their best bowler on. And when I train in the gym, when I'm practicing, regularly there are visuals running in my head, me dominating that bowler. When I train, I have music on, I'm putting myself in a situation where that guy is bringing the heat onto me and I'm countering that, and you know, that becomes such a reality in your head. And invariably when I went into that situation, I ended up dominating that guy in their own home conditions.
And what specifically are you seeing when you're visualizing?
I'm actually seeing smashing that bowler all over the field. So I actually feel that emotion in my heart, and I can feel that this is going to happen. And you tune your head or you tune your mind in a way that it's so convincing in your mind that when you're in that situation, your body just takes over because it's already registered in your mind. And when that happens, you feel like, wow man, this is so powerful. Because if something looks difficult and if you don't convince yourself to go out there and achieve the opposite, you're never going to be able to do it. You can't just land in a place and say, I'll see what happens. That way your chances of succeeding become very, very low. From the time I got back home till the Australia tour, I promise you, I was visualizing every day when I was working out in the gym that I'm hitting Mitchell Johnson, I'm hitting these guys all over the park. And those things came to life eventually because I convinced myself to an extent. When I went there, I was absolutely fearless and things just started flowing.